If it's beeping, that means you don't have the lid on right. So put it on there, twist it just like that, beep off. One of my favorite things to do with this is make fresh cashew milk smoothies. Just set it to the soy milk button, select program, soy milk, start. See, I got the cashews in there already. You can kind of hear them going. It spins once, lets you know, kind of senses it. Come back in like 30 minutes, you'll have some fresh cashew milk. Be careful because there is going to be steam coming out. This is going to be very hot. And I just wanted to mention, look, you can do baby food smoothie, keep warm, boil, even corn milk. That's some big old blueberries. Lid back on. Smoothie mode. Now we're going to use the sifter that it came with this. So you don't have to worry about getting your own. Pour. And look at this thing. It's very, very good. Cashew milk, strawberries, blueberries. If you haven't tried it, definitely should.